I know my demise is not there, no. Sit down. What the fuck you go sit down?
You know say, may I work to the sex thing and everything?
Sit down. You gonna fuck with the boy in a car.
Blessings. This morning, I have a very interesting one you'll be adhering to. And with cases like these and the high rate of domestic violence that is actively contributing to our crime statistics, incident like this one, the date of birth does not matter. So whether it is old or young, what is important is the valid lecture of tutorial that is perpetual. The message is convincingly authoritative, and the lesson to be learned from this is undeniably logical. Trust me, well-founded. So stay with us for all in detail. It is very, very important for you to watch this video throughout its entirety, all the way to the end for understanding. So in the meantime, be reminded that if you are new to the channel and it is your first time over here, please I'm asking you to subscribe, plus click the notification bell, and while doing so, select option all, so that way there, so that way you'll be first in line to be notified about each and every activity on our channel, on this channel. And also remember to give this video a like always, for YouTube algorithm. Blessings and more beatitude. Intro. Soon forward.
Yeah, wait for me to talk. Who were you with
Basil.
on Thursday?
I did. Can I say this before me answer your question? I had no sex with. Listen, I had no sex with anybody on Wednesday.
Sorry, yes, Wednesday. You keep saying Thursday.
I don't know. Thursday. I had no sex with anybody on Wednesday. Never had no sex. I was talking to somebody on Wednesday. We did not have any sex. Many persons never have sex. So I don't know why you keep saying that my panty did this and that and that. I was talking to somebody on Wednesday.
May I ask you who with you now?
But I don't want to say who with.
And you better say who with.
Why?
No,
I don't want to.
That is where we are at.
No, but I don't want to get the person involved.
No, the person
all right, listen to me. When I have no sex, I did not have sex with the person as somebody where basically look me then. But I don't want to say who the person
May
is.
I ask you who? Me or your husband? Nobody never come tell me this a road yet. So if you have private life, like when Lika tell you say you have your private life, I may have mine. Remember me tell you this now.
Can I say this?
Okay.
Can I say this? It's not a private life I have. I don't have a private life. Look here. This is somebody. Just hear me out now. We never have no sex. We just meet up the Wednesday. But we never have any sex.
Where did you meet the Wednesday? Remember me say we around who with you now? You look for me good, Novlette, because you really take me for a fool. And be careful.
Listen to me. Listen, just hear me now. Just hear me out. I don't want, listen. Just hear me what I'm saying. I did not have sex with the person. Look here, we just meet up, had a conversation, was just chatting. I do not want to say who the person
Me
is.
not ask you that you have passed that long time.
I don't want to say who the person
Now let you better say who this is.
Why? Why?
Because your husband at this time knows and has asked you a direct question.
No, but me I say why me have to say a who?
Yeah, because tell me a who.
But why?
Because
why
me ask.
Can't we leave out
No,
the
we're not
person
leaving.
why?
No, we're not leaving nothing. A full disclosure. This is truth. This is truth.
As somebody where I look, me not have sex with this. Somebody.
Me never look here. Who is this person?
Chat.
Who is this person?
I don't want to say it.
Novlette?
Me don't want to get this somebody involved.
How if you get him involved? Have I gone to? Did me go to any other man that you ever talked to?
No, but I'm saying I don't want to say who it is.
Novlette?
Sex me I have with the person. We
Novlette?
just talking, in like me, and we just talking. Nothing wrong with that. Me not have no sex with him.
In like you have a husband, you have a family at your yard where you claim so you make effort to change your life, to keep your husband, and you will do anything. But you have a man now will make you not relate to your husband according to you.
No,
you
it's not to relate to my husband. Come here, don't say that. Because you are saying that me have a man now when I relate to me. Look here.
Anyway, we are digress.
No, let me say this. You came, I say, when that was Wednesday, and you come to me Thursday. I'm sure we had sex Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Saturday and Sunday we had sex for that week there.
No. Never since yesterday.
No, we had sex. No, you can't tell me that.
What can I tell you?
Look here, listen to me now. Me, I tell you, we had
from the
sex.
Thursday, no.
From the Thursday, then I'm talking before.
But you never know that I tell you that.
No, before the Wednesday.
Anyway, the point is we're gone beyond the point. I mean, ask you who.
But I said I don't want to tell you.
We're not get. We can't.
I don't want to tell
no,
you.
we are not going to be there. Is either you face up or we do differently. It's a serious argument, you know. We see how calm me be. And we sit down with each other.
No, but why no, hear me out. Why do I have to say it was who?
Because I have asked.
Why?
Because I have asked.
So, alright. If it is a case where
now but you sat there and you're lying, you want me to build trust in you.
But listen,
you're lying and you know so you know.
Listen to me. Can I say this? Let me say this.
Anyway, make up your mind now because this is the life we are making, right?
Jesus.
This is the life
you hear me?
that we are
You're
making.
not hearing me.
Oh, talk, please.
I am saying to you, if this is a person we're interested in me and me I talk to the person. No, it don't reach nowhere yet.
I mean, I know. I
am telling you, it don't reach anywhere
so
yet.
fine. What we can do is stop so you can go read somewhere with him. That's all. No, that's oh, you mean this Jesus?
Hear this story.
May I ask you a straight up question.
But let me
and where with? There is no explanation.
Let me explain to you first before me go to anybody if you get anybody involved in this. Because the person is not aware and involved in this.
You don't understand what I mean.
Alright, let me say this. The person not even aware so we have problem, Graham.
I am not asking that.
Good. So let me say this to you. This is a person, may not say it. This is a person who I know somebody will book up long time or anything. Person like me and I was talking to the person. We did not have a sexual relationship. Well, we don't have a sexual relationship. I just talk to, like, and talk. No, I am saying to you, if this is something that can do away with, I just talk. Why do I have...
So what prevents you from saying, since I just talk, what prevents you from saying who and where? Why me I struggle with my wife? Who claims that she want a relationship with me, who she not involved with no man and never have sex with him, but she refuse to protect him and live with him.
I know. Listen to me now.
It's a simple thing.
No, hear me out. I do not. You have to understand.
Me now, don't tell me to understand.
You have to understand.
Don't
Listen to
tell me.
Jesus God. If we are having a discussion, hear my point of view now.
Okay.
I do not want this person to become involved.
How will I become involved?
But me not want to tell you who.
I want to know
find out who. I mean, I really want you to know.
So you prefer me find out who?
No, I can tell you is who, but I
so
don't.
So me want to know. No. I mean, I beg you none of it. I mean, I go say it one more time. Mm-hmm. Honest to goodness truth.
Yeah.
This is where the conversation will end today.
Mm-hmm. If me don't tell you. Before I tell you who the person is, can I just make my point known? You hear me? Are you hearing me?
Me not say another word until me hear who and when are we done.
So let me ask you something.
Don't ask me anything. As me say, another word until me hear who and where.
Can I say something before? Me no say a top talk and so, but can I say something to you and you just hear me out before I say who the person is? Can I? I have never wanted to get this person involved. Because Basil, me know how vindictive and something you can be. And I don't want this person to be involved in a way, life like that. So I am asking you, please. Me not have to talk to the person again, me not have to see the person again, because we don't have a sexual relationship. Can I not say who it is and we just leave it as is?
I said no. I said no.
Can I ask another question?
No, Novlette, answer the question. Answer the question. The next thing will come out of your mouth must be who and where.
Where is just that we just sit down in a feeding car by the castle there. So that is where. The who. A guy in the credit union.
Omar, bro, you think me not know? You think me not know? That fucking fool has been trying to get at me by trying to fuck you, you stupid ass.
What did you do him?
Good question.
I don't know what you did him.
But he must have told you.
He didn't say anything.
Yeah. All of a sudden, he might work at credit union all along. I think he run out in front of me, you know.
Okay.
He come there already before that in the next girl car, you know.
Okay.
You was a fucking ass. You was just that, hey.
Who is an ass?
No, you. How come all of a sudden he become interested? You never wonder. At first you see him. At first you know him. In all of the years within the credit union, you don't see him.
Yes, I have.
Uh-huh. But all of a sudden, he after you. And you go fuck him.
I didn't.
You did. You did. I bet you're worthless, you're low. Imagine you claim to have problem in your household. You find a new life. You find a new lease on life. How more worthless? What may I do with you? Eh?
That's true.
Omar Brown, who feels that him is bright and get fucking at the credit union because of his attitude. Seek to get at me by trying to you. So when him see me on the road, he can walk and talk. He was a blood clot idiot.
I don't think so.
Don't tell me shit. How me could I tell you? How me could I fucking tell you?
Say him.
Eh? How me could I tell you?
Say him.
Eh? How me could I tell you?
I don't know.
Eh?
Because he has been getting at you.
Me don't know if I get at me. You can tell me.
I don't know.
You is the gate.
For your demise.
Yes?
Alright.
I know my demise now there. No. Sit down.
Alright. Alright,
Fuck you, go sit down.
They you know say may I work to this thing and everything.
Sit down. You gonna fuck with the boy in a car. So you wear your pretty dress. So you can see fancy dress and shave up. And I can't tell me about no, you never have sex with him. And you know some vindictive so
you say you never have no sex with him. It was just a feel of something, no sex. I'm telling you.
Not that there was a feel of something. Novlette, I see where my man didn't have heavy petting until you find a treat and you have to fuck.
Yeah, Basil,
Imagine my wife.
Here, Basil, I am nothing.
My wife,
no
yeah, me know.
Then again, you just said that.
My wife.
I said to you, I was in the car, we never have no sex.
What do you mean you never have no sex? What do you mean? How you tell that? So how your dress so heavy and wet and full of shit?
You never heavy and wet and full of no shit. Me said to you, say.
I don't do the attack. I don't do the attack.
Full of shit. Me said to you, say the only thing. Look here. Me said I had no sex with him. The only thing was that he put in and right here, so in my clothes. And maybe that's why you say that we never have no sex. So me don't know where.
He put your hand right here, so in your clothes. What do you mean by that?
In my front. So that was it. What kind of thing?
What do you mean? Say, I know maybe you and him did their finger and feel up and fuck. Don't tell me that.
In a car?
Yes, in a film car.
In a film car?
Yes, because the car is heavy.
In a little bit car?
In a little bit of car.
Okay.
Heavily, right?
Yeah, no, me, I'm not fucking in a car.
Heavily, man.